Now injectors on my new dual rail Ollie guy here. Gotta buy another set of injectors though. I only have one set of 210s. I'm gonna have to get 2 sets. Gonna have to get 2 sets. So we're going to methanol, and we need to run 260 injectors. The Holley dual rail guy there. It's got the thick performance -10s on the back. Banjo fittings on the back for the firewall. Turn those kind of however you want. All the room in the engine bay when there ain't shit in there. Selling this intake, don't need it anymore. Plus I don't have an LS3 heads anymore, so we can't. I don't want to run the fucking spacers on the LS1 heads. Yeah, pick. Don't look too bad. Buy another set of injectors here pretty soon, because we're getting the motor put together, we're getting the motor plates put together. Car's leaving Saturday to get the motor plates put on. Motor plate, base plate, steering shaft, get that done, then put the new motor in it and pipe up the hot side. Shouldn't be too bad. Just getting these put on there because someone's gonna buy the fucking intake. Gonna have to get the shorter fucking brackets for this guy. No big deal. Just wanted to get the injector swapped anyway. bearings for the new motor. I'll have to show you guys the 1/2-inch stud plate. I'm going to 1/2-inch stud this other motor. So, be good. I thought I had adapters for these. I don't remember. Don't remember. So we're taking 2 of our buddies' cars to H-Town. I won't be making it. I don't think anyway. I don't think. Nut. Absence are not going with it. Guess I can give the guy the other absence. This little fucking injectors, man. It's little bitty guys. You have to get the shorter brackets for the fuel rail because these are too tall. So, no big deal. I like this setup. A buddy of mine sold it to me, so I'm gonna go methanol, get her the intercooler, and redo the hot side, cold side, and all that jazz. Alright, there's that. That shit swapped over. Now let's go over here. Show you guys. So there's the 1/2-inch stud plate. Drill out. You could do 6-bolt motors with these too. Comes with all the guides here for the drill tap and all that, so they just kind of pop in there. And then there's this little guy here will thread in there. We're actually going to be doing this tomorrow, so I'll have a video tomorrow for the 1/2-inch stud, so that kind of locks that in place there. So that's pretty sweet. We got cam bearings, main bearings, 1/2-inch studs, drill 1/2-inch studs, main bearings, cam bearings, put it all back together, torque everything, put the motor back together, make it a long block, and then fuck, we'll be ready. We'll be ready. So that's kind of what's going on. Nothing crazy. So I'll put this out on my channel tonight, but we'll have a video out tomorrow with Brady and Jesse. So thank you.